Yes, so we are studying with the sum. So we have seen the topic good pattern and trademark. So where we have decided, friends, pattern and trademark, that is also should come where after goodwill, pattern and trademark. Okay. So after that, I can see receivables and payables. So where we have to go? Receivables and payable. So where we have to go? Receivables, we have to go to balance sheet asset side. So you can see in current asset, debtors is given to us 31,000. After debtors, I can see payables is there. Payables we have to write in current liabilities of 25,000. Accounts of goods, that is what accounts of good means what? Purchase and sales. So you can see purchase and sale. So purchase, but before that we have to write, friends, first of all what? Opening stock. And then we have to write to purchase inner column. Purchase inner column, how much? 40,000. In the same way, sales inner column 89250. That is purchase and sale. Then comes the topic machine. So where we have to write machine. Machine we have to write in balance sheet asset side. Machine balance sheet asset side. Opening stock is given to us. Opening stock related to goods 6,000. After opening stock, I can see it's a furniture. So where we have to go? Furniture comes in balance sheet asset. Furniture. Then comes goods return. So already we have discussed goods return. If it is given on the debit side, it indicates a sales return. And if it is on the credit side, it indicates a purchase. Wages related to goods, that is also wages. Right. After wages, depreciation on furniture. I already mentioned to you, if depreciation is given again, so that depreciation we have to add in the furniture. So machine you can see depreciation on furniture is given. So we have actually it is depreciation on machinery. So make it change there. Depreciation on machinery. So right. So machinery 36,500 plus depreciation 3,500. Okay, 3,500. Yes, sorry, this one. Okay, so I think it's clear now. Okay, some 15, 16 some we have taken. It's okay now. So I think it's clear now. Okay. So again, I am repeating to you. Capital, it goes to capital account credit. Drawings account debit. Goodwill, patent and trademark, receivables and payable, accounts of goods, purchase and sale. The only thing the question has been changed. No problem. Same thing. Opening stock, furniture, goods return, wages, depreciation on furniture. That only thing I want. Depreciation. Yes. Depreciation on furniture. In that sum, it was depreciation on machine. Here, depreciation on furniture. So 3,000 plus 300, it makes 3,300. Okay. Then comes stationery and printing. Stationery and printing is related to administrative. So here we have to go administrative. Building. Building comes to where? Building comes to asset. Building comes to asset. After building, we can see legal charges. Already we have discussed. So one tick, one line. Legal charges. Legal charges will go to where? Profit and loss. One tick, one line. Cash balance. Cash balance will comes to asset side. Railway freight. Railway freight is an expense for us. Right here also. That means 16 sum is also near about same only. Okay, so that I think you can do as a homework then. Okay, I have to just explain this, right? No. Then comes insurance premium is related to goods, related to sorry expenses. Insurance premium. Bills, we can say two types of bills are there. One is bills receivable and one is bills payable. Right? Postage expenses related to expenses. So postage expenses we have to write here. Bad debt and bad debt reserve. Obviously, bad debt trial balance, bad debt adjustment, minus BDR trial balance, that will come automatically. Discount is given on both the sides. So first we have to write discount here and then we have to write discount here. Discount allowed also, discount received also. Stamp on hand. Stamp on hand is an asset, that is current asset. Clear? And then bad debt return. Bad debt return, it's an income. Bad debt return, it's an income. 12% HDFC loan. HDFC loan comes here. Non-current liability. And then we have to take the interest of how much? 900. That is interest on loan, financial expenses. After that, first point is closing stock 10-50% as per market value. 5,000 already we have discussed. 50%. So how to do that? 10,000 minus 50%. So 10,000 minus 5,000. So final answer comes to 5,000. Right. This we have to transfer to where? Balance sheet assets. Okay. Legal charges include of legal charges of building purchase. We have purchased the building, but wrongly recorded in the legal charges. So go to legal charges. From there we have to deduct 4,000. Minus opposite side. Opposite side means comes here. Legal charges 4,000. Then comes provide 5% bad debt reserve on debtors. So go to debtors minus bad debt reserve. That we have to transfer to bad debt reserve adjustment here. Right? Provide depreciation on 10% on furniture and 5% on building. Furniture. So come to furniture, 3,300 is there. So 330 we have to deduct, 2,970. That we have to transfer, depreciation comes to 330. Direct also we can write. 5% on building they are asking. 5% on building. So this one. Total 50,000 minus depreciation 2,500. Minus opposite side. Opposite side means depreciation on building 2,500. Clear? 1/3 of the patent and trademark is to be written off. Written off का मतलब क्या होता है? आगे लेके जाओ. 1/5 of the patent and trademark. तो patent and trademark दिया हुआ है, उसमें से 1/3. 1/3. So 2,700 का 1/3 900. 1,800 ट्रांसफर करेंगे. अब ये 900 हम ट्रांसफर करेंगे. Where we have to write here. Written off. Okay. चल अब शुरू करते हैं सब. Make the total of the trading account 86,750. 86,750. Total comes 411,411,50. 411,50. 411,50. मिला? चलो इसको आगे लेके जाओ. प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस के क्रेडिट 41150. तो इसका टोटल आएगा आपका 43900. यहाँ पे भी टोटल आएगा 43900. माइनस कर दो. राइट. इट कम्स टू यू 30270. 30270 नेट प्रॉफिट. 30270. राइट. अब यहां से आगे बढ़ेंगे. यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे P&L अप्रोप्रिएशन के क्रेडिट में 30270. यहाँ पे मेक द टोटल ऑफ 30270. सामने लिखेंगे हम 30270. माइनस कर दो तो गैप आएगा 15135. राइट. रेशियो आपसे बोला नहीं है, रेशियो इक्वल देंगे. रेशियो इज नॉट मेंशन टू अस. आप जानते ही हो we give a equal ratio 1:1. So 15135 15135, right? चलो इसको भी आप कर लो by divisible profit 15135 15135. अब इसका टोटल करो आप 50135 30135, वही टोटल यहाँ पे भी बैलेंस करो तो यू गेट 45135 27635 45135 27635 27635. चलो अब आगे चलते हैं, यहां से कहां जाएंगे फ्रेंड्स? बैलेंस शीट में 45135 27635 72770 72770. चलो अब टोटल करो 10,000 25,000 2,500 900. तो टोटल आपका आना चाहिए 1,11,170 1,11,170. ये सेम टोटल आपको एसेट में भी आना चाहिए, उसमें भी आपको टोटल करना है. सारी चीज आ चुके हैं अपने, तो मेक द टोटल ऑफ दिस. टोटल कर लो 15,000 2970 47500 500 1800. ये स्पेसिमेन हमें याद रखना है. अगर बाई चांस अगर स्पेसिमेन के हिसाब से नहीं लिखो तो मार्क्स नहीं जाएंगे आप, सो उसका टेंशन नहीं रखना, लेकिन ट्राई करो कि स्पेसिमेन में पूरा आ जाए. टोटल आएगा 111,170, राइट? तो ये सम यहाँ पे कंप्लीट हो जाता है, राइट? चलो तो क्या क्या हमने किया पूरा एक छोटा सा रिवीजन कर लेते हैं हम. सो व्हाट द डन वी हैव रिवीजन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 हमने किया, क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. तो क्या क्या पॉइंट था उसके अंदर? एक तो लीगल चार्जेस के पॉइंट है, याद है? उसके अंदर हमने किया लीगल चार्जेस में हमने किया ये वाला बिल्डिंग में से बिल्डिंग के लीगल चार्जेस. तो क्या किया हमने? लीगल चार्जेस इंक्लूड ऑफ लीगल चार्ज बिल्डिंग का, तो लीगल चार्ज में से माइनस करके उसमें हमने क्या कर दिया? प्लस. प्रोवाइड 5% बैड डेट रिजर्व निकाले, राइट? बिल्डिंग और फर्नीचर, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा हो गया था, हमने उसको वहां ले लिया था, ठीक है, एक्चुअली वही का वही. ओके देन, थैंक यू. यहाँ तक प्रैक्टिस करना है. 16 क्वेश्चन हम आगे देखेंगे. ओके.